Hey brothers, good evening. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. And yes, we're having an unboxing. Actually, a little bit of two unboxings really. The other stuff I actually already opened out of the envelope, but I went, oops, I probably should show you that, so you might be interested. You'll notice that somewhere near here I've just posted a video regarding making an aftershave. Well, let me show you what I got in the mail to assist with that. I didn't end up using this stuff because at the time I couldn't find it. I misplaced it and found it, of course, right afterwards, obviously. But I've got it for next time. I'm really psyched to using this. Something you don't see in your shaving stuff every day. This is basically an aftershave making kit. It has an itty bitty little funnel. It's got 3 pipettes and a bottle with a cap. With basically that cap I got it's the reducer cap, so you can aftershave splash, so you can splash it on. They have that, and they have the the droppers. I just like to splash it on, so I got a little. That's what I got for kit, and obviously you just saw in the other video me making an aftershave with some other things, but I thought that was really cool, and that Hendrix offers that. Thumbs up, awesome stuff. They're really not afraid of you making stuff like that. Granted, a lot of people aren't going to take the time making themselves; they'd rather just buy it. But I have fun with doing stuff like that and making it. So Hendrix, yeah, she'll be seeing me buying some more aftershave. Or I guess not really after. I'll be buying more essential oils, especially that citrus balm. That stuff is awesome. I'm wearing it now, and yeah, my wife likes it too. I let her whiff it too and all that after I made it. So yeah, that's the bottle I made. So you had no label or anything because I made it. But the other thing I got, which I thought was really cool from Hendrix, is a shave stick. But look how tiny the refills are. They're itty bitty. It's like, look at your thumb. So like, have to say something. So yeah, it's small, but it's easy to travel. And it's the citrus balm scent. And I've been itching to try this too. I'm not going to do it tomorrow. I've already got other things scheduled, but there you go. I mean, I need to get some samples used up so I can give them away to you guys. But I do want to try this. See, it says citrus balm. And it's just, let's see, how's this? There's the cap. Okay, here we go. Little screw on cap. Nice. Oh, yes. Nice scent of citrus balm. Oh, man, I cannot wait to use this. I might have to do 2 shaving videos this week, and I'm really going to have to try this. If I've got time on Sunday before church, yeah, I'll be making another video because this smells awesome. And I've tried the Hendrix soaps before. You saw them. Probably have one in my next giveaway. This is a sample I got also. I didn't show you that. Sorry. This is the other sample I got. Glasses on so I can read you what scent it is. This is Havana Breeze Shave Soap. Truth be told, the people at Hendrix were very gracious and gave me 2 free samples. The other one I already gave to my boss because he's a fairly new wet shaver, so I'd like to encourage him. Shout out to you, Brandon. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, yes. There's light tobacco. Some of the tobacco ones, I kind of got away from them because I don't like it to be overly tobacco-y. I mean, I enjoy real tobacco, the scent of that and all that. Not cigarette tobacco, but real like pipe tobacco and cigar tobacco, the real tobacco. Oh, yeah. And this has a lightness to it. Nice mix. I like that a lot. Oh, yeah. I like that. It was a sample, so it was free, so okay, I'm trying it, but truthfully, I probably wouldn't have bought it because I would be afraid it was too much tobacco, but that is not. So if you don't like overly too much tobacco, yeah, give this one a shot because I think it's a nice mix. That is off my nose. That is just, oh yes. But look at these. Oh, yeah, let me give you a show. So it comes full. So this little thing comes full with one of these already in it. You get 2 more, and yeah, they're what is that, like inch and a quarter, inch and a half. I'll say an inch and a half. I'm going to guess. Obviously, it's rough cut. It's not smooth on one end. But I've got spares, and I've got this. That is very cool. I just think that was so cool. Small and price wise, I think it was like $17, but you get all of that, all 3 of those. So you basically get the container to keep reusing. So yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I like the mindset about doing and natural and using your own, and I kind of like that mindset. That's kind of cool. Okay, switching gears now. So this was an eBay purchase. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I'm sorry, shaverage. Homage to Chris Baker at IMCDB. Got my shaverage for the day in my Harley Davidson glass. Any guesses what that is? Besides refreshing? That is a New York, what do they call it? A New York sour. That's what that is. With a slight change. Oh yeah, instead of simple syrup, I used maple syrup. I'm from Vermont, that's what we do. But that's what I like to do that, so came out very nice. So yeah, that's my refreshing Friday afternoon after work beverage. Let's see here. Now this is something I've been interested in, but they've been too expensive. These have just been too expensive and crazy on eBay, but I found this one because I've been watching for over a year, and some of this stuff is just crazy expensive. Now, I thought this was way too cheap, and yeah, you get what you pay for, so I might have just gotten taken. We'll find out. Either this is a steel, nice little case, liking the case so far. The hinge still works. Class open, the hinge still works. There we go. Vintage Gillette. And it would have been nice if I looked that up first. Huh. So yeah, tarnished and all that, but it's got a blade in it. That's not safe. It's got a blade in it. Okay, let me take this apart carefully. Handles all in one piece. Okay. Truthfully, much better shape than I thought it was going to be in. Really? Okay. Pleasantly surprised. Pleasantly surprised. Obviously, this was probably a gold plated at one point. And depending on how good this is, the teeth, I'm just checking out the teeth, because the pictures weren't as good as they could have been. No, I'm liking it. I'm liking the teeth of the open comb. That's looking good. Okay, an old nasty old rusty blade in there. So yeah, let's throw. Well, I'll throw that in my blade bin here in a minute. And there's the top cap. Not what I expected. I was not expecting the bar. Oh, actually, I guess the corners. Yes, I was expecting the corner holds, and they like the old vintage Gillettes, if you can see that. But yeah. Okay. Yeah. And yeah, I'm feeling a little bit of grittiness from the rust that came off that blade and what have you. This is going to go into the Sonic bath. Scrub, soap and water, so it's going to get so disinfected, sterilized and all that. And I will use it probably through the week. I'm going to try it in a week, I think. I'm not going to try it tomorrow because I've got my favorite razor tomorrow, so I don't want to put that off. I want to use my, but nice little find. Okay, nice little find. Very nice little find. Got that inexpensively on eBay. So yeah, I guess there still are some finds out there. And what's the year on this one? Or is this? It was 30s. I think it was. I think they said 30s. It's got a patent number on it and all that. So yeah, I think they did it to the 30s. I'm going from memory, but I believe it's a 30s vintage razor, and this is the 20s. So that's a long stinking time for a razor to look that good. I'm telling you, even the knurling feels good. It's not worn. Look at that. I am so impressed with that. I did not expect the razor to be in that good shape. For a little money, I paid for that. The shape of the thing is good integrity, so it's, if I like it, then it'd be worth getting it refinished. But very impressed, very pleased. The seller's going to get definitely high marks from me, definitely. And it even came with a pack of what they call vintage blades. They're still sealed. They still got the plastic wrap on them. I'm going to guess they're not really that old because did they plastic wrap blades? Yeah, they didn't do that in the 30s. I don't think they did that, but. Nice touch though. Nice touch in the sale to have that in the little blade holder. See, it's got a little blade holder there that holds the pack of blades. Nice touch. And of course, this is all going to get disinfected. I'm going to wash my hands when I'm done here too. But yeah, because it all needs to be disinfected. But finally got a decent find on eBay. Because I don't know, like a lot of you, I'm getting tired of seeing all the high prices. I won't pay money. I won't do it just because at one point. There was a heyday a few years ago, I think, where there was really just people were buying everything off the shelves as far as vintage razors. I believe that has calmed down quite a bit from what I see, just my readings and what have you too. So to still get high dollars, no, I think that day is past. So you'll see those videos, you'll see those razors for sale on eBay for a top dollar, but that doesn't mean they're selling. So watch those videos and see when they don't sell. See what the highest bid was maybe on them if it was bid. But yeah, I bid on this. This was the bid item, and I still got it. I can't believe that. I can't believe that I got this. Maybe it's more. Everybody wants that more aristocrat one. I don't think that's what this is. But I wanted an open comb because I didn't own one. not thrilled with a lot of the old vintage tech. I just don't like the techs, except for the red tip. The red tip is one exception, not one I'm happy with. The rest of them are just too mild. So this is open comb, so I'm hoping it's gonna do the deed, and it's gonna, that I'm gonna be happy with it. So just wanted you to see my packages for today. Nothing, no high dollars here or anything, but it was still very enjoyable, as is this, and go with God.